Hi guys, Andy here from Car Key Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to do a battery change on a Ford key. This is for the keyless stop-start system, which we found for models starting from 2008 up until 2021 even. Relatively simple procedure. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver to try and open the case. The case opens in two parts. Try and open the side with the buttons. The button side will be the best one to open, and use the small screwdriver to help release the clips from the key. Okay, it opens in two parts. Please make sure you don't put the screwdriver too much in depth so you don't damage any of the circuits inside. You'll see the battery is on the back here. Again, with the help of the screwdriver, just release the battery and replace it with a brand new one. In our case, it's a CR2032. When placing the new battery, please make sure you put the positive side of the battery towards the back. Okay, put it back into place, align the top of the key, and clip it back in place, and your key is ready to go. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to our video, and if you do have any comments or questions, please leave us a comment below. Have a good day.